Welcome back to Outdoors Type and welcome to Glenreagh. We're here at the Glenreagh Mountain Railway to start our explore of the Glenreagh to Dorrigo railway line. The last train to run along this section of line at least was sometime around 2005. We're going to go exploring the length of this line as it winds its way up the Dorrigo escarpment to Dorrigo on the Dorrigo plateau. So stick around and enjoy. The Dorrigo railway line branched from the north coastline at Glenreagh in the Pacific hinterland of northern New South Wales and took a winding 69-kilometre path to Dorrigo on the Dorrigo plateau. It opened in 1924 and effectively closed after flood damage in 1972. Timber was the main revenue source, but the Dorrigo line was one of the costliest branch railways built in New South Wales. There were 2 tunnels, 13 sidings and stations, and many bridges. Dorrigo Station and Yard are currently used to store Dorrigo Steam Railway and Museum's large rolling stock collection. The DSRM has plans to one day run trains from Dorrigo to Megan and open their collection to the public. The station at Glenreagh remains, although the old signal gantry and once iconic water tank are gone, and the Glenreagh Mountain Railway maintains a small fleet of rolling stock in their shed at a location sometimes known as Glenreagh West. From the hot hinterland of the north coast to the cool climbs of the plateau, let's begin our journey here at Glenreagh alongside the modern North Coast line. Welcome to the Glenreagh Mountain Railway Shed. This collection has been housed here for many, many years. There's a couple of carriages and engine and a lot of railway memorabilia of the Glenreagh to Dorrigo Mountain Railway. I've been very kindly let in by one of the volunteers here. If you'd like to get access to it, then reach out to them on Facebook or the web, and please consider joining and supporting the preservation of all of this railway history when so little remains. We're going to go for a bit of an explore around, so stick with us and enjoy. Grand old view through the old passenger carriage all the way through to the firebox of the engine up the front. It's just amazing what they've got preserved here. Some of the line trolleys. I think we've seen some of these in social media posts on outings at places like Lowanna. How I knew that the line would be here, because more often than not the telegraph line would run alongside the railway line for signalling and communication purposes, but there's very little left up here. Well, here we are at Lowanna. This is a bit of a base of operations as well for the Glenreagh Mountain Railway. You'll see a workshop out there. The building is all locked up, but there's still things in the building. There's still a little signal box with some of the signal handles behind me, and some bits and pieces remaining inside the building as well. You can walk up onto the platform and have a bit of a look around. Look, of course, but don't touch. There's still a fair bit remaining around here. Well, we've just passed the site of Lee, which is the highest station or siding on the Glenreagh to Dorrigo line, and we're just about to head to the Bealsdown River Bridge and then to Dorrigo, and we'll put the drone up and have a bit of a look around there. Welcome to Dorrigo, and thanks for sticking with me this far. We've made our way from the hot hinterland around Glenreagh up here to the cool climbs of the Dorrigo plateau. Dorrigo station behind me closed in 1979, long after the line became defunct in 1972. The location today is home to the Dorrigo Steam Railway and Museum, which houses one of the largest collections of railway rolling stock in the world, including 45 steam locomotives. I hope you enjoyed this video. If you did, give me a thumbs up and subscribe and share it with your mates. We'll see you in the next video. Catch you then.